Alright, so I just warmed up my legs. They feel pretty good. I'm going to start with lunges on the left leg. And in the previous session, I believe it was 2nd of January of 2026, I did 13 reps. But on the session before that, which I believe was 30th of December, I did 14. So I think that today's goal for the left leg is 15 reps, and on the right leg is 18 reps. So this way I improve on all my previous attempts, which is what we want, to get better session by session. And I think it's very doable. Both the 15 reps on the left leg and the 18 on the right leg. If I can't do that, then I'm a loser, okay? So I'm gonna start with the left leg and let's see how it goes. Alright, so success. I'm pretty sure in the left leg I did 17 reps, and in the left leg I did 20. The goal was 15 on the left, so I did 2 more, and on the right one was 18. I did 20, so 2 more as well. So overall very good. Now, the next 2 sets I do for each leg, I'm not going to try to PR. I'm just going to do them real slow, controlling the eccentric of the movement, just trying to stretch the quad and contract it. Basically more with a muscle building emphasis, and also to avoid injury. So yeah, success. That's good. I just keep on doing it for as long as we can.